I'm gonna show you the first sparring combination on the back from 12 pares called the T-strike. It's like 2 variation. First one is this one. Second one. So these are like the beginner drills. Alright, so first one, tempo, straight down, tempo, on the face, top of the head. Second variation, to the ribs. So you go, land on your feet, relax position, don't grip the stick too hard, loosen up on the last moment of impact, and that's when you tense your stick. Okay, you're not tense the whole way through. It's gonna cramp up your forearm, so just relax. Last moment of impact, you tense, tense, tense. Okay, so looks like this. You whip it. Try to hit with the sweet spot, which is the first 2 inches. Always hit on the consistent area to develop consistency and accuracy. Alright, and then you get the next variation. It's called the T also, but this time we'll finish off with the ribs. It's just a 3 count combination. So first one, second one, in the beginning, don't go too fast, too hard, so you get the basic motion. So you can do it like slow, especially for the beginners. When you teach them, 1, 1, 3. There you go. That's the basic T-strike that we teach beginners.